Welcome to your weekly PX4 dev briefing from Quad Drone Lab. We've got major updates, so let's dive in.
This week, development really focused on three key themes for the whole PX4 ecosystem.
We saw some huge progress, with several important updates merged into the main branch. First up, a major safety boost. The new RTL logic gives you much more flexible recovery options. The EKF2 got a huge upgrade. It can now control sensor fusion directly over Maverick, way more flexible.
Fixed wing pilots, this one's for you. We've upgraded to calibrated airspeed for much higher precision.
We also saw merges for hardware flexibility, better AI dev support, and even our own efficiency.
But it's not just new features. Transparency is key, so let's look at the critical bugs. Okay, this is a big one. The EKF2 can incorrectly reset altitude estimates during RTL.
Other high-priority fixes, fail-safe triggers, and a whole new set of crucial safety features.
And the community engagement here is massive. Just look, 30 comments on this release candidate issue.
And where do these priorities come from? Straight from real-world flight reports from you, the community. For example, this forum post about a crash really highlights why EKF reliability is so critical.
Other reports of thrust loss and GPS drift show why we're laser-focused on system stability. You know, these core PX4 changes have a ripple effect across the entire drone code ecosystem.
So, one PX4 feature needs Maverick to adapt, which then means Q ground control has to update too.
And that's your top-level overview of this week's PX4 development, brought to you by our team.
To stay ahead, you should know that we deliver this level of insight every single day.
So how do you make sure you don't miss these critical updates going forward?
Easy. Secure your access by becoming a Quad Drone Lab channel member. And check out our blog.
You can find all the source material for today's briefing right at these links. Thanks.